Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate. And you may hear some of my neighbors shooting in the background, but that's okay. We do that sort of thing out here. Many trees, many power lines, many cable lines, many lines of all different sorts. So there's going to be some drama, right? Let me show you a little bit. This is why this tree has to go. It drops all this mess down on the driveway and it gets wet and matted down, and I can't even blow it off with the blower. The blossoms are beautiful up there. They're not beautiful down here. So that tree unfortunately has to go. Those trees. And that's as clean as I can get it, even after standing here and blowing it just like. It's just decay and matted on the asphalt. Not acceptable. So Craig asked me to tag the tree, so I have the one tagged in the front yard. We'll see if the mighty Craig can take down this tree. It's pretty tall. We'll see. Here's the second one. Well, actually, it has three from one base. It's pretty tall. It's pretty close to those power lines. So I don't know about that. This is the sound of my awesome Mustang. So the mighty Craig did get this huge mimosa tree felled without damaging or even touching any part of the front of the house. Then when I got home, he and I took down these three that were overhanging the cable lines and power lines. I wish I had set up a camera to capture it, but we had no way of knowing what was going to work, and it took us a very long time, but we got it down. Along with home ownership comes a lot of problems. Wouldn't have it any other way though. Then a month later, I come home and find this sitting in my yard, wondering what the heck was going on. There were limbs down everywhere and quite a mess in the yard and the driveway. And I thought, well, maybe this was a present left for me. The name is almost spelled correctly. Let me show you what they did. Well, this is what I came home to last night. After Craig and I did what we did to try to cut trees down, apparently either the state or Alabama Power has now come by to cut down limbs more. Which is fine. They needed to do that. I'm just wondering if they're going to come back and clean this mess up. And I also wonder if they've left me a souvenir. Let me look at this. Who's supposed to haul all this up? So yes, they have the right of way, but just to cut it down and leave it like this, I mean, I can do it. I'm a strong person. It's not really what I wanted to do this weekend. I didn't really want to drive over all of this for the rest of the week. But what if I was like an older person? Look. Just tire tracks. And they left this. They almost got my name right. So is this mine? Do I get to keep this? I'm glad they took that down, but now it's a little top heavy.
That's a lot of change on my ground, isn't it? That's a big pile of something for me to have to clean up. Lot more debris on my poor driveway. Oh my God, they drove on the side of my driveway and cracked it all. That is not cool. What in the heck? There isn't even a pine tree anywhere around here. Just a random limb left here. People ask me why I found from the top, because I don't like the way I lay from the bottom. They did mostly clean it up. I'm glad, because I didn't feel well this weekend. I certainly didn't have time to be out here cleaning this up. Didn't clean all that up. Oh, look, a souvenir. I'll clean those up in case somebody comes to my house and wants to shoot. They'll have to wear those for safety glasses. There's still this, though. And it rained and it didn't make that go away. Another set down there. I'm hoping they didn't bust a water line. Left the tracks. More tracks. Tracks. That does look better. More tracks. Gosh. Spray these things down with some bleach. I'm running through the dishwasher a couple of times. Thanks for watching. Remember, life is full of problems, and problems are just to solve, and then we just enjoy the stuff that happens in between the problems. We can learn to enjoy the problems, I guess, too. Till next time, bye. Enjoy your life. Bye.